Welcome to dear teacher. And Ravi Tuitions. Learn Maths with Ravi sir. So morning, every day morning 6 o'clock I am taking a live class for 10th class students. So I have completed till applications of trigonometry. So I am doing fast revision. Vijay Mishra, good morning. So I am doing fast revision. Today my topic is areas related to circles. So areas related circles also easy chapter. You have only two formulas to remember in this chapter. Remaining just understand the problem and do the questions. Definitely one or two questions will come from this chapter. Definitely 100%. So before I start my lesson, in the description I have MCQs. I made some MCQs in my learning app. So you can download my learning app, Dear Teacher app, and have MCQ questions in all the 13 chapters. So without wasting time, let us directly go to our lesson, areas related to circles. So in this I am directly going to give you the concepts. In this, definitely there is a circle, and we are going to learn about the circle, not old ones. Say for example, this is the circle. Okay. So now you have to learn about the sector and segment. Only these two things are there, sector and segment. Yeah, Astuti Mishra, good morning. If you are having any doubt in this chapter, like you can quote exercise number and question number, NCERT question number. I am taking up NCERT book. At the same time, today because I have already completed this NCERT textbook, today I am going to do previous board examination questions from this chapter. So you have to learn only two things. One is a sector, the other one is a segment. So let me tell you what is a sector first. So sector is a part of the circle, right? So this is a circle. I did not use this one. I am just so now how the part? I am removing this part. Okay. So then what happened? You will be getting only this is the part of the circle, and this part is known as a sector. Sector. Okay. That means if you cut a circle, right? If you cut a circle, okay, this is a circle, but center should be there, and then you make it like this, and this is a sector, this is center. So this every sector will be having two things, like radius should be there, radius will be there, okay, and angle also should be there. This is the angle of the sector, and this will be angle of the sector. So angle will be there. These are the two measurements that every circle, every sector has. So sector means you should remember, you should need two things to do anything. If you want to find area of sector, or if you want to find length of arc of the sector, you need radius and the angle. So, angle will be inside. So, now again I will tell you few more things related to sector. There are two types of sectors. One is a major sector and the other one is a minor sector. Okay. So, and half sector, semi-sector. Semi-sector I will just give you. So, this sector depends on the angle. So, if the angle is less than 180, so this is one sector and this is another sector. So, the major sector angle is bigger and minor sector angle is smaller. Okay, minor sector angle is smaller. This is smaller. So, this is a minor sector and this is a major sector. Okay. So, if the angle is equal to 180 degrees, Sociala, if angle is 180 degrees, if 180 degrees is there, then what happened? It will become a semicircle. This is semicircle. If angle is, if the sector angle, this is the sector angle. If the sector angle is less than 180 degrees, minor. If the sector angle is more than 180 degrees, major. Okay. So, these are the simple things you have to remember. Now, what formulas are there to remember in this? So, for sector, first one is area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by, I am writing theta. Theta means angle of the sector into pi r square. This is one formula related to sector. Okay. So, what is theta? Say for example, if I draw the circle, if I draw this one, I will remove this is the sector and this will be the theta angle. Inside, please remember, this is here there is no figure, removed. So, and this is radius. Okay. Area means this entire thing. Area is this entire thing. So, now second formula, length of arc of the sector. That means only length of arc means only this length. Okay, is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and part of the sector, arc of the sector is a part of circle. So, 3 by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. There is one more formula, any chance is there. So, this is a special formula. So, area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius by 2. Length of arc and radius by 2, half LR, half into length of arc into radius. So, in this third formula, there is no theta, angle is not there. So, if there is no angle, if it is asked you to find out area of the sector, so length of arc say and radius say you can find out. These are the three formulas for sector. Now, let us go to segment. Let us go to segment. What is a segment, right? Okay. Segment also is a part of the sector. Segment is also a part of the sector. So, I am having a circle, right? I am removing one part. So, and I am adding end points. So then what happened? This will become segment. The difference between segment and the sector is sector has radius, segment has chord, one line chord. Okay, sector has radius and segment has chord. This is the sector. This is the sector. Okay. So sector has radius, segment has chord. One side arc will be there, one side segment will be there. So, okay. So this is segment and this is sector. So here also, how to find the segment? Because every segment has a triangle. So this is major segment and this is a minor segment. Okay, this is minor segment. This is minor segment. Now every sector has a triangle inside. Okay, this is the triangle. A triangle with radius with the chord. Right. So here also. Triangle is there. Both the sector for both the segments are having triangles. I will draw the minor segment here. This is the minor segment and this is the major segment. Okay. So its center is inside, its center is outside. मेजर सेगमेंट का एंगल सेंटर अंदर रहता है एंड माइनर सेगमेंट का सेंटर आउटसाइड. सो विद दिस यू विल बी फॉर्मिंग ए ट्राइंगल. So if you find it, this is nothing but a sector. Sector plus this triangle. That means sector plus triangle is equal to major segment. So here sector minus triangle, that means this triangle को निकालना पड़ता है. This triangle should be removed. So sector minus triangle is equal to minor segment. So in this you have to apply sector area. If you want to find the area of the segment, you have to find out the sector area, whether it is minor segment or major segment. So two areas you have to find out. One is sector area, the other one is a triangle area. Then only you will be getting a area of a segment. So for major segment, area of the sector plus triangle area is equal to area of the major segment. Whereas minor segment, area of the sector minus area of triangle will give the area of the minor segment. So for both segment and both major segment and minor segment, you have to find out sector area and triangle area. Sector area you have to find out. The other one is a triangle area you have to find out. So sector area formulas already have given you, and triangle half base into height is one, and triangle we have few formulas: half base into height, half into base into height, and Heron's formula, and one trigonometric application also, right? So now this is about sector and segment. So now we will go to previous examination questions. If at all, if you are having any question from this, I can explain you, right? I'll take up my R.D. Sharma book, and from R.D. Sharma, because R.D. Sharma में previous examination questions indicate किया है. Not only R.D. Sharma, if you take any book, extra textbook, they will be writing all examination questions, right? So now I will pick up examination questions from this and then I will do it, right? So now remember, syllabus is reduced. इसमें से जो भी है वो पूरा पढ़ने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, because as per the syllabus you have to target. And once again I advise all the students, first focus on NCERT book and then go for extra book, right? So now my first part is sector. So from the sector, let me take up one question. Okay. So 2024 question. 2024. I'll say example 1. The sector is cut from the circle of radius. The sector is cut from the circle of radius. Radius is equal to 21 centimeters. And the angle of the sector, theta, is equal to 150 degrees. 150 degrees. Find the length of arc and area of the sector. Two things. Yeah, that's fine. So let me do directly. Length of arc formula, length of arc is equal to, please write the formula and then do the question. Without writing the formula, you will be losing half mark. In the examination, formula carries a mark, board examination. So most of the people, they don't write the formula, they write directly. Nothing, time is enough, sufficient time is there to do each and every step. So now, in the place of theta, 150 degrees by 360 degrees, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. Now cancel 7 with 21 3 times. Okay. So 1 0 1 0 will get cancelled. This 3 in 36 12 times. This 2 in 12 6 times. Again this 22 2 table 3 times. This 3 in 15 5 times. Okay, all denominators got cancelled, 5 into 11. So 55. Unit is centimeter. Please be careful. If you don't write the unit, you will be losing mark. Unit is very important. Length of arc, it is centimeter. Okay, very, very important. In the same way, area of the sector. Area of sector, write the formula. Now you can use, because we have got L, we can write a second formula, half into L into R. That formula also valid, valid. No need to write theta by 360 into pi r square, because already we have got L. So what I will do, half into L is 55, radius is 21. So now this is the answer. I will write centimeter square. Okay. I am not doing the simplification. So this is a direct question. This is 2024 question. 2024 board examination question. Okay. So direct question आने के लिए 99% you may be getting a direct question. This is a direct question. No understanding directly, sector का formula डालो and कर दो. Right. So let me go to another question. Examination PYQ, previous year questions. So 2024, yeah, 2023, 2019. So many times it came in the examination. All right. Question number 2. I am reading it, you understand it. This is very good. You are following. Samarpan, good morning. Today also you are late. I am reading it and you just understand it. I will be writing the given data. A car has two wipers. So car wiper, this it will be wiping like this. It will be wiping like this. So that means a sector will be formed. Two sectors will be formed. Okay. So each wiper has, that means this is the wiper, each wiper has a radius, length. This wiper length is nothing but the 25, that is radius. Let me write length of wiper, which is equal to radius of sector, which is equal to 25 centimeters. And angle, swiping angle is equal to angle of the sector, which is equal to how much? 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned. So area, you have to find out total area to be cleaned. That means two sectors. Total area, this sector and this sector, both the sectors, that is total area by sweeping both the blades, each blade. Total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Yeah, this is there in the syllabus. No, this is there. This chapter is there. Some bigger questions are removed. So now area is equal to area swept by wiper is equal to area of the sector, which is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 105 by 360 into, so here 22 by 7 into radius is 25 into 25. This is a area swept by 1. Let me say some x value you will be getting, x centimeter square. So area, total area swept by both blades, both wipers, is equal to 2 into x is equal to final y value. So this is I am going to do segment area, don't worry. Okay, segment area, Astuti, I am going to do segment area, then you will come to know. There is no special formula for segment area. Segment area contains two things. One is sector area plus triangle area. Okay, sector area, triangle area mila ke minor segment or major segment areas will be there. I am going to do. Let me complete one by one so that it will be useful to you. So a wiper question is very, very important. Okay, so let me go to one more question, right? This is also 2012, 2016, like that is given. 2024 question I am going to do, last year question, example 3. So the length of minute hand of the clock. Okay. Yeah, segment formula they will make and give you. sector area and triangle area mila ke they will give you a formula, but you have to understand in this way so that it will be easy for you. Even I will also give you one formula, but in general you should understand the concept so that after automatically formulas you can write it. So somebody is saying just wait for a minute. I am going to do after this question. I am going to do segment area. Just wait for some time. Right, Stuti? Length of minute hand of a clock 14 centimeters. So this is the clock, and minute hand, small hand. We will talk about only minute hand, 14 centimeters, and find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Say this is the minute hand. So the minute hand length is nothing but 14 centimeters, and this is 1. Now this area we have to 5 minutes means it will reach to 1. This is 12 and this is 1. So now in 5 minutes how much area? So this is nothing but a sector, right? Very important question, very important question. So now this angle we have to find out. Angle is equal to, because one complete revolution 360 degrees, 360 by 60, 360 degrees. So now 5 minutes, you write 5 minutes. So how much angle for 1 minute? I will do it. Okay, this is for 1 minute. 1 minute angle is 6 degrees. 5 minutes, the angle is equal to 5 into 6 degrees, 30 degrees. So now here theta is equal to 30 degrees and radius is equal to 14. Now area you have to find out. So it is easy. You can write theta by 360 into pi r square. Let me go to our Stuti's question, segment area. Okay, I will go directly. I will take up one question, previous examination question, and then I will do it. Okay, 2017. Otherwise, directly one question I will take up. Example 4. Find the area of the segment. Find area of segment. This is the question. Given angle of the sector is equal to 120 degrees and radius is equal to 21 centimeters. So this is the thing. Now let us draw a circle. This is the circle. Okay. We will make a center here and the angle is 115 degrees. So this is the angle 115. It is less than 180 degrees. Okay. So now segment is this is the segment. Now we have to find out this area. Sorry, it is not 115, it is 120. This is 120. आवाज़ क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है, अभी ठीक है? हाँ, yeah, for my video it's coming good. Maybe I'm speaking to that side. Is it okay now? So now this is the area we have to find out. You will not get this shaded region contains, say I will use one more shading, okay, triangle, let me name it, okay. So area of segment is equal to area of sector OAXB. I write OAXB. This is the sector minus area of triangle OAB. This is the concept you should understand, my dear Stuti, right? So this concept you have to understand. Now sector area already we have learned. So what is the sector area? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Now your target is to find out area of area of triangle. It is not easy because 120 degrees is there. So this main task is area of triangle. So area of triangle, half base into height. Base is nothing but half into AB is the base. Height is not there. Let us draw height. Say this OC is the height. Half AB into OC. So now AB we do not know, but radius we know. This is 21 centimeter. This is 21 centimeter. Radius we know. We don't know OD, that means height we do not know, and base also we do not know. That is why you should find AB first and you should find OC next and then area next and put this area here, this one, okay. So this area you have to write. So how to find out AB? A special question, a special higher order thinking question. I am going to tell you because already I have written, I am going to tell you. So when you draw a perpendicular, this chord will become bisected. So let us say if this is x, I will write some other value. AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to, I will write x already I have written somewhere. Yeah, I have written somewhere. I will write, let us say P, and this is also P, and this is H. Now this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Angle 120, vertical angle is 120, that will get bisected. So upper ka angle say 60, then I will draw this here. This is C, A and O, and this is 30 degrees, and this is 21, and this is P, and this is H. The same triangle I have drawn here. Now you have to find out P as well as H. So for that, sin 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, H by 21. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to H by 21, and H is equal to 21 by 2, 10.5 centimeters. So now we got H. How much? 10.5. So we got this 10.5. And then we need P also. P find out करेंगे. P is adjacent side, cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is P by 21. cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to P by 21. So, P is equal to 21 root 3 by 2. So, therefore, we need AB, and AB is equal to 2 into P, because here P and there P. So, 2 into P value is 21 root 3 by 2. So, 21 root 3. So, now you got how much? Half into 21 root 3 into 10.5. This is the area of a triangle. Right, area of triangle we got. Now, area of a sector you can easily find out. Angle is 120 by this 360 into pi r square, you will be getting area of a sector. So, then area of triangle, area of segment you will be getting, right. So, what to do? What I will do? I will rub this entire thing, okay. I will rub. So, I will put it here only. So, how much? Theta is 120 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 21 into 21. This entire thing is y. So, this will be the area of segment. I want you to complete this simplification. Calculations up karna hai, right? So, I hope you have understood. Please respond. Mishra, Stuti Mishra. Did you understand segment area? So, now this is we got minor segment area. Once you get minor segment area, circle minus this minor segment area is a major segment. Sometimes both the things he will give in the same question. So, after finding minor segment area, if you want to find a major segment area, then circle minus minor segment area will give you major segment area. Suppose if you want to find out only major segment, what happened? Major segment is, this is the major segment area. This entire thing is major segment area, right? So, and sector area I'll draw with blue yellow color. This is sector area. Okay, and this is triangle area. So, vertical line and diagonal line together is segment area. So, major segment sector प्लस ट्राइंगल, ये ट्राइंगल को ऐड करना है, बट ये सेक्टर जो है वो बड़ा सेक्टर हो जाता है. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. टुमारो वी विल डू फ्यू मोर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, टुमारो सेम टाइम 6 o'clock my class will be there. I will be doing few more questions from areas related to circle. So till then, have a nice revision day. Subscribe, share and like my videos. Bye bye. So, so if anybody needs any question, you can ask me. I have still some more time. I can spend some time with you. exercise 10.2. Yeah, just a minute, I will do that question. Exercise 10.2. Is it circles? Question number 3. You are asking a question from circles, am I right? You are skipping triangles, chapter triangles and trigonometry. Do one thing, in triangles you learn basic proportionality theorem. Spend 15-20 minutes, spend basic proportional, learn basic proportionality theorem and leave. And in trigonometry there are angles also. Angles you learn how to draw the, find the angles. You just check my previous video, you will come to know. Angles table likhna hai, angles and angles related questions you do it, because that will take very less time. So in trigonometry, angles related problems, that means second part, basic ratios and angles and identities. So angles related questions you do it, it will be easy, you can easily do. And in triangles, basic proportionality theorem you do it, okay, and remaining things you leave it. That means you are guessing, very wild guessing. So आएंगे बोल के सोच के आप कर रहे. So it's okay, if it comes okay, otherwise no problem. You have still time, 3 months time, you can learn triangle. Triangle, it will take 1 hour or 2 hours. 1 hour, if you sit in front of the triangles, you can easily get all the questions, right? Trigonometry also easy, don't worry. At present, you may be having, you did not learn it, okay? For tomorrow's examination, you can skip happily. If you skip happily, what happened? If it is a complete board examination, you may be missing around 10 marks, that's it. Around 8 to 10 marks you will be missing. Still 90 marks are there, you can score better. So now you said 10.2. 10.2, question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, that is only one question, MCQ question. Okay, it's not that much, right? If you want, I can explain from questions. Anyhow, take care, wish you good luck for tomorrow's examination. Bye bye.